What up, good people? Today we're reviewing the product TOPDON TB6000Pro. So this is a battery tester, 2-in-1. So it charges the battery and it tests the battery to see the battery life. And the coolest feature is you can check it on your phone instead of looking at your product. So let's get into this video. ArtOfSpeedd. Then first we want to pop the hood of the vehicle. Once you pop the hood of the vehicle, we're gonna pop this on the battery, check the battery life of the battery, and unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to charge the battery if the battery is dying, but we can do a lot of cool features. But yeah, so we're about to pop the hood on this and check the battery. So to connect the batteries, red going red, black going black, and you pop the hood of the vehicle. Once you pop the hood, locate the battery. On this particular model, the battery is on the driver's side. So red going red, black going black. Boom. Boom. The battery voltage at 12.4. So technically the battery is good, but if you wanted to run some tests on it, you wanted to check the like the health of the battery, the status of the battery, only thing you had to do is go into your app on your phone. It's called TB6000Pro. You click it, it's Bluetooth compatible. Boom, my gen just connected to the device. On the main frame of the screen, it says, so on the screen, it says smart charging, quick charging, and testing option. So where it say testing option, so it say battery testing, charging testing, and cranking testing. So it gives you 3 different things. So if I wanted to check the battery test, you just click it. It gives you a little prompts of what you need to do. And then I hit that. Then I'm about to go check the battery type. The code cranking amps is on the top layer of the battery. So it's the top sticker of the battery. So I can't really see it, but these this particular model costs for like 600 or 800 code cranking amps. So I'm gonna put it in. So if it's asking what flat panel, gel. So you just know the particular model of, so it asks you different questions. So it asks you the battery rating. Then I hit next. Boom. So it gives you the battery type, the battery standard, the battery rating, status of health, the status of charge, and test value. And then it gives you the battery voltage. So this is what it gives me. So it says the battery of this, so the battery condition of that battery is good. Unfortunately, I don't have a bad battery to show you, but it gives you the whole status. And then if you want to save or share, you can share it. It's a pretty quick DIY project for around the house, or like, you know, you're like, man, my battery is not working, or something's wrong with my battery. You can actually charge your battery from your house. If you have one of these products, you can charge your battery too. So we'll go through another prompt. This one is charging testing. The first step, it says turn your vehicle on. Second step, turn off all electronics. Third step, turn on all the electronics. So first step, start the vehicle. Second step, turn off all electronics. Second, turn on the electronics. So we're gonna try that. So I'm about to start the vehicle. So that part was charging testing. So it basically told me that the battery is still good with the charging capability from the alternator to the battery. And so you got different types of options in this. Like you have base model and pro. So pros is like for the pros in the shop, where you can get it right down to the second of the battery or the voltage of the battery. So this is cranking test. So we're about to do cranking test now. So it'll give you the prompts and everything what you need to do. So like I said, I keep my battery hooked up, and it said turn off all electronics. This is the cranking status. So the cranking status is good. So it gives me the cranking voltage and the crank time. So you can actually go through different modes with this product. You can go through them and actually check your battery status or your battery voltage. If your battery is dead, you can actually charge your battery up, plug it up into an outlet, and you can go through the steps and process to charge your battery back up to good standard. I wouldn't say to perfect standard, but probably to a decent amount of standard. I don't know because I haven't tried that feature out, but they said that it would get it back to perfect standard if the battery is died or you can need to charge it back up. It says smart charging, so it gives you the capability to let you know if your battery is good. If your battery is good, it can charge the battery back up, but if your battery is not good, it probably would not charge the battery back up. But they did say that if it's running on a bad cell, it can repair the bad cell. That's what TOPDON said. But if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.